Good afternoon. Nice to meet you guys, and good to see you here. I'm Bobby. Please enjoy my presentation. Today I want to talk about Psy. Why Psy? I have two reasons why I chose this topic. First one, my first presentation was about Psy, so I want to check my final level by myself. And second one, majority of the people think that Psy is a superstar, that's right, but they don't know how he became a superstar. As a Korean, I'm very proud of him, so through this presentation I expect you to know more Psy and you like him more. First, I want to have a short introduction about Psy. Psy's Korean name is Park Jae-sang. He was born in 1977. He is 35 years old. He got married and he has a twin daughter. He can speak English well because after he finished high school, he studied in America for 4 years. Next, I prepared about Psy's information from when he made his debut till now to the big issue he encountered: penalty and marijuana military service. In 2001, he came out to the world. His album title is Psy from the Psycho World, and title of the song is Bird. Before we talk about him, I will show his debut video. Well, I don't know what you feel. At that time, it was very fresh. I mean, people were surprised because of his style. He's not handsome, he's chubby, beard, and exotic, exactly, but some people liked his strange style because it was new and quite funny. But still, it's too much. He paid the penalty for using inappropriate words in his song. Anyway, he was powerful and passionate like a crazy person, and people liked him. But there was bad news in the end of 2001. No more than 1 year, he was involved in using marijuana. And that's why people think that Psy is like a crazy person. Many fans were disappointed with him. He was banned to show in media. People don't mind him anymore. Luck came in 2002. In 2002, we are crazy about World Cup of Korea and Japan. We made a new record, and almost all nations focused on this festival. A lot of people supported in the street. That time, Psy also was in the street. One reporter saw Psy in the street and had an interview with Psy. Later, it was broadcasted. Naturally, Psy could start again. Then during the end of that year, he came back with Song Champion. It was a very big hit. Until now, people still love this song. In 2003 to 2005, he finished his military service. He was totally back. But another trouble was followed him again. Prosecution brought Psy because of being not sincere to military service, and there were irregularities. Military service program is a very sensitive issue in Korea. Actually, he gave a proof about their suspicion. but people already distrust him. That's not Psy's style. Psy decided to go to the army again in 2007. I believe this smile is fake. It's really crazy. Just imagine you live in CNC for 4 years without going out, but it's still okay compared to the army. Anyway, Psy finished his military service again. In 2010, he entered Wise Entertainment, but nothing special about Psy. He just became normal because of the troubles he did. He really wanted to go back in his first intention. He really wanted to create a new song like The Champion. He started again with great fortitude. In 2012, last year, I believe this year was a great year for him. Finally, the song Gangnam Style came out in the world. Okay, no need for more explanation. crazy style. Right? He did it. Sai did it awesome. I think I don't need to say about Sai anymore. We just talk about Sai's mind. Well, I agree, because of the song Gangnam Style, he became a superstar at the moment. But I think this moment is not only from love. He overcame his problems, he never gave up, and finally got the chance. See? Look at the picture. He is still chubby, weird, and exotic. So now people like him, people trust him. So do I. Okay, my presentation is right here. And thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Jun, body tutor, people, my friend. Thank you, my mafia tutor, LIL, Poland. He's Jun. Thank you, Mom, Jasmine, you. And my big man, Mikey. Thank you so much. It was a great time. Bless you. This is Hot Goodbye by Sai. This song is Hot Goodbye by Sai. I also want to say Hot Goodbye to you guys. Okay, Hot Goodbye. Thank you.